You've been hearing about pullback trading, but the question is, do you know how to trade a pullback? All right. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to trade a pullback the best way, how to identify pullback, how I trade pullback, and how you can profit from trading pullback. Some of you may be wondering, what's the use of this pullback? Well, pullback can give you a decent risk to reward when it comes to trading, all right? Pullback can give you consistency because when the market is pulling back, we are waiting for that pullback to get to a key level before we take a trade. Pullback can make you not to take any random trade, and this alone can make you become consistently profitable, all right? But before we start, guys, I got something for you. After my 6-year trading experience and my 3 years of being profitable and my 3 years of being consistently profitable, I have to put together all my experience and my knowledge together in one place, you understand, in order for you to find a consistency in the forex market. It literally took me a whole month, a whole whopping month to write this ebook, all right? And the name of this ebook is called the Advanced Forex Trading Course, the essential guide to becoming a profitable trader, all right? This ebook only costs $10, guys, only $10. I am telling you now to get this book now to become consistently profitable, guys. You understand? Just like me and my student, I am giving out a 6-month mentorship for the first 20 people to get this ebook. Wow, 6-month mentorship for the first 20 people to get this ebook. Don't take this opportunity for granted. Grab it now and contact me on Telegram. My Telegram link will be on the description box. Contact me on Telegram after getting the ebook with the proof of the ebook, all right? Without further ado, guys, let's head straight to the main reason of this video. The forex market moves in wave, all right? Now, we have the uptrend just like this, we have the downtrend, and we have the sideways. But as for me, I just focus on only the uptrend and the downtrend, which is the bullish move and the bearish move. The trader, you should trade with the trend, all right? The trend is your friend. Okay, now, let's say we have the market going to the upside, then the market give us this recent high, which is this resistance, then the market came all the way down, right? But now we have this resistance as our resistance zone now, all right? Now what do? We wait for the market to break that our resistance zone, pull back here to retest, then we can look to buy. This is how pullback is traded, all right? So now, yeah. Okay, so let's do example to the downside. Let's say we have the market going to the downside and we have our lower lows here, right? On this lower lows now, this lower low here now is our support zone. You understand? This is our support zone. So what do, guys? We will have to wait for the market to give us a break, pull back, and give us our candlestick confirmation. Then we can look to sell just like this. This is how a pullback trading is traded. So now, guys, let me show you guys this example on the live chart. All right, so right now, this is a trade on a gold market, all right, on the 5-minute time frame. So let me take this thing away right now. Let me take this thing away right now. On the 5-minute time frame, we have the market moving to the upside, right? So right now, we are having resistance, and resistance all over. But right now, we have this resistance zone here. I'm going to zoom that very, very big so that we can see. We have this resistance zone there. Before this bearish candle here, we have a break of this resistance zone, of this structural high. Then we have the market pull back to retest here. You understand? After the retest, we wait for our bullish candle confirmation. Then we can look to buy, just like this. You understand? Notwithstanding, guys, now on here now we have this recent resistance here. I would like to mark it just like that. Exactly. Now, what do we have here? We have this resistance zone. We have this resistance zones just like this, all right? Now, the market broke this, our resistance zones, just like this. The market broke this, our resistance zone, pull back to retest here. Then we can look to buy after seeing our candlestick confirmation. I am going to do a lot of examples here, guys. I'm going to do a lot of examples so that you guys can learn from this, all right? This pullback trading alone make me find consistency in the forex market? All right, so let's say we have the market still continue going to the upside there. We have this our resistance zone, then we extend this zone to this right side. All right, so right now what do we have? We have our resistance around this level. Now we have the market pull back. All right, break this our resistance and pull back again to retest. After the retest, what do we have here? We have our candlestick confirmations. We have this morning star around that level. I will not enter that trade because this candle is too huge and it will make my stop loss very big. All right, so guys, I waited for this bullish engulfing and I entered here. Bullish engulfing around this level and I entered here. All right, so guys, on here still, what do we have here? We have these resistance zones just like this. All right, after the resistance zone here, we have a break of our resistance, then we have a pullback. We have multiple pullback here. We have the first pullback, second pullback, third pullback here. All right, but I didn't enter there because that weak rejection is confusing. All right, so now, and I have to send the signals to my student, but since I don't want to confuse them, I will have to wait for our candlestick confirmations. All right, so what do? Now we have to wait for the market to pull back again. And after that pullback, we have this bullish engulfing candle. All right, so right now, before I enter, before that candlestick form, we have the market start pulling down, and I know that yes, this is the New York session, right? And I know that yes, the market to be buying. All right, so that was how I entered on this bullish engulfing around here. My stop loss was here. If I thought I entered here, my stop loss would be very big, but since I entered here just around this level here, you can see there, that was how I was able to take that trade around that level. So let me take that up real quick now. So what do we have here? We still have another resistance zone just like this. All right, guys, I want you to make this pullback trading to be your only strategy. One of the key to success in trading is to focus on one thing, focus on one market, focus on one or two trading instrument, which is you can call it a pair, trading pair. Then you can focus on only one strategy. All right, and this is it, pullback trading strategy. All right, just focus on this strategy. These pullbacks happen every day in the forex market. All right, it happens every whole day in the forex market. You can make this your only strategy. You can see how many entries I've taken here. You understand? You can see it there. So right now, this is not just the I don't just open a chart and start showing you what I don't know. This is also a trade I took. All right, so right now, what do we have here? We have this resistance zone. We have a resistance, and now a resistance. Then we have this momentum candle break that zone. You understand? I didn't just enter immediately after the breakout. Guys, I waited for the market to pull back. And after the pullback, that pullback is my confirmation. All right, so after the pullback, I have to enter. All right, make my stop loss, just put my stop loss below here. And guys, this is it. Pullback is complete. You understand? That is how to trade a pullback. So right now, we are going to do example of the downtrend. Let's look for example of a downtrend real quick. Right now, let's see. So right now, guys, what do we have here? Let's say we have a double top here. We have the first top here. Then we have the second top there. All right. So right now, on that double top here, we have this neckline of the double top, just like this. And I'm going to extend my zone to the right side, just like this. So now, what do we have? We have the neckline and we have the market broke that neckline. All right. So the market trying to pull back around this level, but couldn't get to this level. Many beginner traders will just jump in without waiting for their proper pullback. All right. But I waited. All right. So now the market give us a double bottom again, pull all the way back to retest on the neckline. And that was how I was able to take this trade just like this from this level. Just like this. What did I told you guys? I told you that this pullback strategy will give you a long risk to reward, a better and a good risk to reward, and it will make you find consistency in trading. Imagine you focusing on only this pullback strategy. Okay, now guys, if at all, now this is my trade, right? This was the trade I took. Now you can use this strategy to pass your profit even in just one trade. Now everything is in that ebook, right? So right now, this is 1 to 8 RR. most of these profits now, their profit target is just 8% for phase 1 and 5% or 4% for phase 2. Let's say on this trade, you took this trade, you reach 1% to make 8%, 1 to 8. You've passed your profit in one trade. Now, in this ebook, I taught you guys how to pass profit in a week, how to pass profit in one trade. All right. Do not take chances, guys. Do not underrate that ebook. That ebook is full of information. Go grab yours now. It is full of information, guys. So right now, what do we have here? After that now, we have the market come down to this level, a double top with a whole lot of weak rejection, a double bottom with a whole lot of weak rejections there. All right. So after that now, we have the market give us a higher highs and a higher lows around this level. We have a higher highs. The market refused to give us another higher lows, and the market pull all the way down to make this place a support. After that support, the market still make here a resistance. That gives us a neckline of a double top now. That is a double top. We have this first top here, and we have the second top here, just like this. All right. Then we have this neckline. This is a neckline. You understand? That is a neckline. Then we have a break, a retest. The market broke that level, pull back at this first place, and now the market came all the way down again, pull back again to give us an evening star. That is a sell confirmation, just like that, around this level. My stop loss will be here. That's 1 to 3 RR, risk to reward. All right. Now, guys, now this is another pullback, right? Now we have a resistance. Then we have the market came all the way down here. So right now we have this short resistance. We have big pullback and we have smaller pullback. All right. So right now I have that resistance zone there, just there. Now we have the market broke that level, come back, pull back. You understand, to retest, and now that is our buy confirmation. I'm just trying to make as much as possible examples so that you guys can see and learn from it. All right. So now I want to tell you guys, not all pullback that you will trade. Let's say this kind of pullback now, you have it now. The market is not coming to that level and you just want to take your trade now. What if you take your trade from this bearish bar around this level? What if you take your trade just as you see this bearish bar, and the market still return back to hit your stop loss just like this? You understand? Okay, now let's say you won this one, the market goes on your direction, but guys, it will not go on your direction every day. You understand? Out of 100%, it will fail you. You understand? So right now, on this current trade now, if you can see here, on this current trade now, what do we have here? We have this resistance, then we extend our zones to this level. You understand? Then we extend our zone to this level. And now what do we have here? We have the market broke that our level, trying to give us a resistance here, pull all the way back to give us a bullish bar around this level. And that is a bullish bar. And now we will be taking our long position just like this. You understand? So I didn't take this particular trade. So guys, you can see this is the best trading strategy. This is the only pullback strategy. You understand? This is the only simple trading strategy you will ever need. Guys, please run and get your ebook now. Take chances now. I will, just like I said, I will be giving 20 people access to my 6-month mentorship program completely for free if you get the ebook. So peace.